Welcome to Key Tech. Please describe this channel if you are interested in today's video. In the world of chip manufacturing, lithography machines are like an insurmountable mountain, standing in the way of China's chip manufacturing towards 5 nanometers and below processes. ASML, the global controller of lithography machine technology, is like a Mr. Huang, who monopolizes the market. It holds the top lithography machine technology and firmly controls the market in its own hands. The lithography machines sold by ASML are as scarce as the rain in the desert, but the price is like a sky-high treasure, which is daunting. China, a country that has demonstrated strong strength in many fields, is restricted in chip manufacturing because it does not have completely independent lithography machine technology. Even if it has the most advanced chip production line, without lithography machines, it is like a good cook without rice. At this stage, it is impossible to manufacture 5 nanometers chips. This cruel reality makes Chinese chip manufacturing companies like a giant with its hands and feet bound in the global competition, with power but difficulty in exerting it. Will China's chip manufacturing industry continue to be suppressed under this technical bottleneck, or will it find the dawn of a breakthrough? Under the heavy obstacles of the lithography machine, the steady-state microbeaming, or SSNB, solution proposed by Tsinghua University is like a glimmer of light in the dark. Lithography is like a precision engraving in the microscopic world, and the light source is like the chisel in the hands of the engraver, and its importance is self-evident. In this microscopic battlefield, the existing mainstream light source system is like a group of soldiers stuck in a quagmire, and it is difficult to increase the power, which is a headache. An SSNB is like a new warrior with special skills. It is a new type of microbeam light source technology that combines a variety of magical abilities. What's more, it also has an exclusive secret, that steady-state function. This function is like equipping this light source warrior with a super stabilizer, so that it can be stable when working, thereby improving exposure accuracy and efficiency, just like a sharpshooter can hit the target more accurately. And it can also reduce power consumption and lighting time, which is like an energy-saving expert, saving resources while completing the task. With these advantages, it can achieve high-resolution imaging, just like adding a super magnifying glass to the sculpture of the microscopic world, and is expected to solve the problems that existing technologies cannot solve. However, this seemingly promising solution is not perfect. It is like a rose with thorns, beautiful but dangerous. Its manufacturing cost is frighteningly high, like a bottomless pit, constantly devouring resources. If you want to further increase the power, it is like making a major modification to an already complex car, and you need to enhance the entire system. At this time, it may cause damage to existing equipment, just like robbing Peter to pay Paul, causing a certain degree of waste. These problems are like ropes that tightly bind domestic companies, making it difficult for them to use this technology to create a mature and advanced process path. Can this potential SSNB technology break through the difficulties? Although Tsinghua's steady-state microbunching, or SSNB, solution has many advantages, it also faces a lot of troubles. Like a warrior trapped in a quagmire, it is difficult to break free from the predicament. At this time, enterprises are like a group of partners coming to the rescue. The cooperation between Tsinghua and the business community has opened the curtain, and a drama of collaborative innovation has begun. This kind of cooperation is not a simple matchmaking, but a comprehensive and deep integration. It covers knowledge transfer, technology application, and the joint investment and utilization of funds, talents and resources. It is like a chorus, and every note must be matched just right. For enterprises, if they want to make a breakthrough in the new microbeam light source system, it is like climbing a towering mountain with many difficulties. On the one hand, this requires strong financial support like a gold mountain and silver mountain. Without money, it is like a soldier without weapons, and it is difficult to move forward. On the other hand, there must be a team of experienced talents like old foxes, who must be proficient in the twists and turns of various technologies. And there must be advanced technical equipment and materials like alien technology. If any of them is missing, it is like a piece of the puzzle is missing and incomplete. However, risk is like a monster hidden in the dark, which may pounce at any time. If enterprises cannot master all core technologies like martial arts masters mastering peerless martial arts, they will fall into a passive situation like being acupunctured. However, Chinese enterprises are not helpless little sheep. In terms of traditional equipment, Chinese enterprises have accumulated a lot of powerful things, such as 193 nanometers ECSL scanning exposure equipment using RF laser light source, universal film system, etc. The competitiveness of these equipment is not much inferior to that of international mainstream brands. Moreover, domestic enterprises are also transforming these traditional resources like hardworking little bees, and developing advanced process equipment such as new developers and wet processors. This is like putting on a layer of armor for enterprises, which not only allows them to stand firm at this stage, but also lays a solid foundation for future battles. But can the cooperation between enterprises and Tsinghua University really make SSNB technology break a bloody path? Tsinghua's new plan and cooperation with enterprises are working hard to bring China's chip manufacturing to a new height, which is like a boulder thrown into a calm lake, stirring up thousands of waves in the global semiconductor industry. Many Chinese semiconductor companies have responded positively to the new solution, just like soldiers hearing the charge, bravely moving forward to promote technological innovation and industrialization. This has allowed China to gradually narrow the gap with the international advanced level in the semiconductor field, and even surpass it in some aspects. China's efforts to seek alternatives to the existing EUV process path are like uninvited guests who suddenly broke into the peaceful life of countries and regions such as the European Union and the Netherlands that have a monopoly in the semiconductor field. They originally sat safely on the throne of the semiconductor industry, but now they feel the competitive pressure from China and begin to worry that their territory is gradually being eroded. Although this new solution from China is still in the experimental stage, it is like a budding flower. Once it blooms, it will inject new vitality into the global semiconductor industry and completely change the way chips are produced. But what new challenges will this solution encounter on the road to global application?